Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you to please click on the subscribe button. For today's recipe, I'm going to take 500 grams of boneless chicken. To that, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, salt as per taste, 3 tablespoons of curd, and lastly 2 egg whites. You can now mix all of this well with the chicken. After mixing it well, you can now see that the chicken has got a nice reddish color to it. At this point of time, you can now leave it for marination in the fridge for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you can take a pan and you can add a considerable amount of oil to it. The key to making good chicken 65 is to deep fry the chicken 65 into the oil. Once the oil is hot enough, you can slowly start dropping the piece of chicken. I'll be making this in 2 batches, considering the fact that I've used half a kg of skinless chicken. After the first batch is ready, I'm now going to remove this and then add the second batch. I've now completed making all the batches of the chicken. I'm then going to take another pan and add about half a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Along with that, 5 slit green chillies and about 10 chopped garlic cloves, 2 red chillies and a bunch of curry leaves. After adding all these ingredients, I'm going to add some red chilli oregano sauce. As a substitute, you can add some red chilli powder here. I'm going to now mix this well. After mixing it well, I'm then going to add the piece of chicken. After adding the piece of chicken, I'm going to mix it well. After mixing it well, you can now fry this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can now switch off the flame and you can add some lime juice on it. So, if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.